In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the laser eyes filter on TikTok. So I'm going to be showing you how to get a specific laser eyes filter because there are quite a few within the TikTok app. So once you're on the camera, and you can get to the camera by tapping the plus icon in the middle of the screen at the bottom, that will take you to the TikTok camera, and then you can see it says effects there at the bottom left hand corner. If I go ahead and tap on effects, you can see in the top row the second filter with that person with the laser eyes, the red eyes over there. Go ahead and tap on that one, and then all you would need to do this filter is to tap on the screen. So if I get rid of that and then I just tap on the screen, see it shakes, and then I get the laser eyes effect. So let's say you're not finding the filter from within this effects tab over here. What you need to do is go back, go to the home page of TikTok, then tap on the discover option there next to the home button. Then in the search bar, you want to search for laser eyes and then just hit search. Now you can see that two of them pop up there underneath effects, but those aren't the ones that are just used. I need to go ahead and tap on see more there on the right hand side, and then I just need to scroll down until I find the one that everyone else is using, and it's this one here, right here. If I put it at the top, I can go ahead and tap on it. That'll take me to the filters page. I can add it to my favorites to quickly get access to it later, or browse all the videos using the current filter. So if you want to go ahead and use it, just tap on the camera button at the bottom, or it could say use this effect. Tap on that, and then that will take you to the TikTok camera, and then you can just go ahead and tap the screen. Okay, so that was obviously just the preview. So to actually record your video, you need to go ahead and tap on the record button once and then tap the screen. So I'll go ahead and do that. And there you can see the filters in action, and then I can go ahead and tap on the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner. I can go ahead and add sounds, effects, text, stickers, customize it however I would want. Tap on next again once I've done that, and then you will just go through the posting process. And then when you're happy with it, you can go ahead and tap the post button, and then you can post your TikTok video using the laser eyes filter. So I hope this video was able to help you out. If it did, drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more TikTok filters. Take care.